So the car was gone for a while, and this is what it looks like when it came back. Now, this is all recoverable. I'm just going to walk around it here. What I'm going to do first, this is all like embedded dirt that was sitting there. I'm going to do a clay bar, and then I have a buffing wheel. If you do buffing, practice on a car that you don't like first. But I have a light buffing compound that I'm going to use on it. And I guess I'm going to call this the before. Okay, this is before. The more I think about it, the more I don't mention to folks how to do some of these things. This is what I was talking about a clay bar. You buy it in a kit. It comes with this product here and this product here. So what this does is you essentially just spray it, like I'm going to show you. You don't want to do this in the sun. You take the clay bar and you slide it up and down on the paint. Now, I've already gone over the hood here, but let's get in that little area there. What it does is it pulls any dirt that's inside the body, all right, on that paint right there. So it's really not that bad. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna go over it a couple times here. As you can see, you'll actually feel the clay bar drag as it pulls the impurities off the paint. And it's just the first step of many steps that I do to get these back in shape. I took off the wiper blades, obviously, so I can get to it. And it's best to do one section at a time, so I'm just going to do the hood. So as we go through, I think you're going to see how much better this is going to come out. Right, so as you can see, I've gone around the car once already here, and I don't want you to get disappointed the first time you do this because it does come out cloudy. This is like an eraser, and I know this is a little dry, but I'm still pulling the compounds out of the paint. And again, I'm going to buff it next. But it's been quite a while here. I went around the whole car and just started this first step. You can see the debris sort of there. And as I swipe through it, so it just pulls it all off. All right. And I'm not using any fluid, just because I'm doing a light little cleanup. Now, what's going to happen next is I'm going to use rubbing alcohol and a rag, and I'm going to wipe the whole car down. Then I'm going to buff with the Meguiar's light compound. If you've never buffed a car, watch the videos. You have to be really careful. And then we'll see how it comes out, but it is getting there one step at a time. So now at this point, I've buffed the paint down, and it's still got some materials on it here and there. What I wanted to show you is two of my favorite tools that I use afterwards. So let's say, for example, you get that little area in there after you buff something, you know that's going to just turn white. I just go in there and just give a quick swipe and wipe it off with a towel. Little tips and tricks. Now, if you find it later on dried up, there's another way to do it. Okay, I'm just taking this, brushing it off. And you know who taught me this trick was my dad. So what I'm doing is going around the whole car here and just getting in and out of the crevices. And it's obviously not all wiped down yet, but let me just show you something I never knew. So you just get one of these and you simply, if it's dry, you just tap it in there and it breaks it all up. Okay. So we're on our way here. It's starting to come along. I'm not finished, but so in the beginning I did the clay bar. Then I wiped it all down with alcohol. Then I did the buffing, which I recommend somebody go to a junkyard and get a car to buff and practice and learn on. And now I'm wiping off the compound from the buffing. And the next step will be another cleansing with rubbing alcohol in a towel, like right here, look. So, poof, gone. And then the last step is going to be the ceramic coat, like I did on the other car. So here you go, some progress. And this is just in a half a day. All right, so today we've got the, we give it the bath, we give it the clay bar, and then I buffed it down. I did not videotape that. Remember, buffing is a serious thing. If you want to do it, I was very lucky when I learned. I went to a junkyard and I was able to buff a car to practice on. That was in a junkyard. So you have to be super careful doing that. But it does take a little micro layer of that paint off. And as you can see, it looks perfectly fine here. Tomorrow I'm going to go back over it with rubbing alcohol on on a cloth to get all that compound and all the little things out. And then I'll ceramic coat it. More to come. This is just the beginning. So thanks for checking it out on the 1983 Mercury Capri RS 50 named Kong. We are finally back, and it's great to see everybody. We'll see you out there.